How to merge mail from Excel to Outlook. Mail merge is a feature that allows you to send personalized emails to multiple recipients using a single template and a data source. To mail merge from Excel to Outlook, you need to follow these steps. 1. Prepare your email content in Microsoft Word. You can write the body of the email message and insert merge fields that will be replaced with data from your Excel spreadsheet. For example, you can insert the recipient's name, address, or any other information you have in your data source. 2. Set up your mail merge data in Microsoft Excel. You need to have a spreadsheet that contains the information you want to use in your email message, such as names, email addresses, and other fields. Make sure the column names match the field names you want to insert in your email message. Also, make sure the data is formatted correctly and stored on your local machine. 3. Link your mailing list to your email message. In Word, go to Mailing, select Recipients, use an existing list and browse for your Excel spreadsheet. Choose the sheet that contains your data and click OK. 4. Add personalized content to the email message. In Word, go to Mailings, right and insert fields and use the Insert Merge field drop-down to insert the fields you want to use in your email message. You can also use rules and conditions to customize your message for different recipients. 5. Preview and finish the mail merge. In Word, go to Mailings, preview results and use the arrows to check how your email message will look for each recipient. You can also make changes or exclude some recipients if needed. Superscript 2, Superscript 3. When you are ready, go to Mailings, finish and merge send email messages and choose the field that contains the email address, the subject line, and the format of your email message. Click OK to send your emails. 6. Check mail merge messages. Outlook. You can open Outlook and see the sent messages in your sent items folder. You can also check if the recipients received your emails and if they opened them or not. Here are some additional tips for mail merging from Excel to Outlook. Asterisk, make sure that the data in your Excel spreadsheet is formatted correctly. The data should be in a table with the field names in the first row and the data in the rows below. Asterisk, if you are using an existing list of contacts, make sure that the list is up to date. Asterisk, if you are creating a new list, be sure to enter the correct email addresses for the recipients. Asterisk, preview the email messages before you send them to make sure that the merge fields are working correctly. Asterisk, you can use mail merge to create a variety of documents, including letters, invoices, and newsletters.